So I'm here today to introduce why mobile technology is great for students. And I believe that our school would benefit from iPads. We need mobile technology because each child can be individually hands-on with their learning. It can all interconnect to the teacher, but actually with iPads, you can definitely be able to have great sources of stuff. Now, if we were to purchase 200 iPads, it would cost $58,800, which is only $294 per iPad. And this is for a 32 gigabyte iPad with the use of Wi-Fi. We also have to purchase a licensing agreement from Apple, which initially sounds expensive, but let me show what the iPad can do. There are so many things you can do with the iPad. And one other thing I might add to this is that the customer service and the help that Apple gives directly to you if there are any issues or anything is absolutely outstanding. When a child gets an iPad, they can take it, they can write with it, they can draw with it, they can color with it, they can solve math problems on it. There are endless possibilities that they can do. You can interconnect all of the iPads together with the teacher and all of them together so that it's easy. Teachers can get assignments, grade them simultaneously on the iPads. So it's not only great for the students, it's also great for the teachers, and it is one way where you can innovate. You can put the iPad up on the smartboard, and the students can follow along with the stylus and do what you're doing to get the hands-on learning and approach, and it helps with their imagination. It's endless possibilities. iPads can be used individually. They can be used. They can be used where they can work together, and also where a teacher can just show the students on an iPad because it's small enough and durable enough to just take around to each student. But if each student has one, or every two students have one and they work in groups, it's also fantastic. This is also a great way when you have a group project where everybody can work together. They get to contribute, and each one can add their own special little thing together, and they don't all have to, sit on top of each other around a computer or that kind of thing. They can all sit in a group together, and they can pass the device to each other because the iPads are the right size to be able to do that, so each person can contribute. They also, another great thing for the iPad is they actually have so many features that can help children with special needs or learning disabilities, and this is a great confidence booster. So, like, they can help students who have hearing impairments, possibly, students who have autism. There's so many different learning modules that can be added to the iPads for special needs students that this is really fantastic to help everybody out. Now, let's explore. We can reach people all over the world with something like this. We can interact with other schools who have iPads. We can learn about different places in the world, and we do it all with the web and the World Wide Web. And the best thing about iPads is they're so versatile, and the programs, the learning programs that Apple provides with the licensing agreement for schools is phenomenal. There are just so many things that you can do with an iPad. Along with this, I wanted to share. I also did. Hold on, sorry. I made a pamphlet for each person to be able to have when they get this, and it has more information inside of it.